Hello, my name is Aber James A. Aribon and this is my CLBE PT. Good day everyone. Gather close, take a seat. This is more than a story, it's a heartbeat. A boy with a vision, faith as his flame. Carlo Acutis, remember the name. Born in London, raised in Milan, a child of the modern world, still held God's hand. He played games, laughed, lived life with his friends, but his love for the Eucharist, it never ends. He once said, "The Eucharist is my highway to heaven." Words from a teen, wisdom like a legend. Sneakers on his feet, but his soul stood tall, proving you don't need to be grown to give it all. Carlo, young, but he was true, showing the world what youth can do. Faith in his heart made the darkness bright. Leukemia struck. The sickness came fast, but his faith was stronger. It was built to last. He told his mom, "Don't be afraid when I die. I'll be happier in heaven, where souls never cry." No fear in his voice, just courage and grace. Even in suffering, he kept a smiling face. He offered his pain, "This is my gift," turning his burden into someone else's gift. Good deeds overflowed, kindness in his hand. Helped the poor, stood for justice, made a stand. He defended classmates who were bullied at school. Respect for the weak was his golden rule. With a keyboard and a screen, he spread the word. Miracles of Christ for the word to be heard. He coded with purpose, not just for fun. Said, "The internet can be used to lead souls to the sun." Carlo, young but he was true, showing the world what the youth can do. Carlo, shining with the light, faith in his heart, with the darkness bright. Cyber apostle, saint in sneakers and jeans, live his short life chasing holy dreams. He said, "All are born originals, don't die a copy." Words that echo strong, still fresh, never sloppy. So when we face trials, remember his name, a boy from our time who played the game. Carlo Acutis, his story won't fade. A legacy of light will never be afraid.